Hello everybody. I'm just going to turn this on, do a little recording, get a little bit long video for my channel. I've been doing shorts. Shorts are nice. Gets a lot of people watching. Gets me more subscribers and they come to my channel and watch my videos. It's a pretty nice deal. Anyways, I'm just heading out. The bugs have been atrocious out here. I mean, they have just tore me up. Flies biting and these millions of these tiny little gnats that just won't go away. I've sprayed down with off sportsman multiple times, got it in my eyes, mouth, on my glass where I was drinking. It's crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna go around this corner. I'm gonna do a little more fishing. She's having problems with bugs over there too. She's spraying the heck out of the side of that camper. I imagine, man, they are atrocious out here. It's got to be all the rain. Plus, this place is pretty close to the river, so the river's always got tons of bugs on it. Of course, there's bugs everywhere, but this is really pretty out here, and it's fun to fish too. I mean, I've had a good time out here. I ain't caught very many, but I caught that one nice size one. It was about a little over 18 inches long, and then I caught two more little ones, and I lost two really good ones, I could tell, but I lost them. They dove into the moss and spit it, so I come back with a hook full of moss, nothing else. So I think I'm going to give that back cove one more shot. I might go right here around this little bend too and toss in a couple times, see if I can snag some back in here. There was a little bitty one. Whoa. A whole school of something right there, pretty good sized. Holy mackerel. They're stirring up, going everywhere. Bet you they're crappies though. There's a lot of little crappies out here. Not little, it's a pretty nice sized crappie, but there's a lot of them. Yeah, they're schooling up, playing all over out of there. I don't catch nothing because of all the doggone bug spray on my line. I sprayed so heavy, it's crazy. But it kept them away for about 20 minutes and that was it. Then they're right back on me. That's true too. It only lasted like 20 minutes tops. If that, and it's just crazy. Bugs just going nuts. Nice splashing going on over there. And this thing's wind's gonna drift me right back into the bank. I've got to get one of them little anchors so that I can just like paddle up to an area and drop anchor and fish it for a while and then lift it up, go somewhere, move a little bit more. Because literally this wind has dictated my fishing today. I tried fighting it earlier and I was getting wore out. Just paddle, 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 paddle. My friend Redbeard, I guess he'd been having good luck out at, it's a city reservoir over at Trenton. And he's been tearing up the big ones out there. I guess he caught a little over a 4-pounder and a little over a 3-pounder and multiples of them. So that's some good fishing out there. I'm assuming, though, that not a whole lot of people bass fish it. A lot of people go out there to bait fish, to catch bait fish and stuff, but I don't think anybody actually goes out there to bass fish. So he'd been throwing out a big lure, and sure enough, oh man, I missed that one. Sure enough, he was hitting the big ones on it. That's the way you gotta do it, though. Try it anywhere. I'm gonna be right up on the bank here in a minute. Then the bugs are coming back. I'll be eating some of them. The little ones ain't too bad. The bigger ones, I don't know. They taste funny. Oh, come on. I wouldn't mind it running me into the bank if it run me in the right way. That way I could still fish, but instead it's going to run my head right into this tree. Oh man, a little over. See, now it's going to run me from the shade right here to all the way over there into the sun. Burn me up. It's not been a good day, man. Oh, I can't say that. Any day you get to get out and fish all day, it's been a good day. I hear their generator over there at that camper. I had to go over there and help them out earlier and jump start them. The battery on their truck was dead. And they've been gone for a while. Now they're back. Now I'm hearing the generator over there going. Probably got the AC cranking. Get inside, get away from the bugs. Ooh, nice little hit there. Not bad, not bad. I don't know what it is with this thing, but sometimes it just catches and I can't get it to throw, and it'll just like automatically kick off or whatever, or kick back to where it is in real mode or whatever. Here comes the bugs again. The wind died down for a second, so yeah, we got 30 million bugs. Of course, that's what my shirt says. Whisker critters. Slapping bugs and jerking tugs. That's what we do. We go out fishing. Me and a friend of mine are gonna start a little catfishing for a tournament. So we come up with a little name, which is Whisker Critters, and that's all compliments of Redbeard. Oh. Man, I just kills me. Anyways, we're gonna maybe do a little bit of tournament catfishing as soon as we get it all rounded up, get what we need. I've been looking into boats big boats for the river and for anywhere else where they hold them. But most of the time around here, I think they hold them on the Missouri River. They go out and have tournaments on there. Well, oh, there we go. There we go. Nice one, nice one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Hold on there, baby. Don't get off there. Oh, man, it spit it. Oh. Man, that was a nice fish, too. Very, very nice. Man, oh man, oh man. Easy come, easy go. Oh. That was a nice one. It'd have been a really good one.